Ever wondered what it's like to be a cat in space? Imagine the thrill of exploring the cosmos surrounded by colorful wonders. Our feline astronaut is on a mission of discovery. Each star tells a story waiting to be uncovered. Who knew space could be so much fun? Adventure awaits in every corner of the universe. In this cosmic playground, imagination knows no bounds. Even in space, thoughts of home linger. Each twinkle is a reminder of the beauty of exploration. What new adventures lie ahead in this vibrant universe? With courage and curiosity, anything is possible. So keep dreaming and let your imagination take flight.